Hi guys, welcome back with another GoldenHen jailbreak video for Ps4 version 2.4b18.4. In this video, I'll show you how to jailbreak your Ps4 using the latest method, so let's get started. First, make sure your Ps4 is connected to the internet. Now open the internet browser and go to this web address. Once you're there, you'll see the GoldenHen option. Just click on it. It will start caching, so wait for that to complete. Once it's done, click on the GoldenHen version 2.4b18.4 option. It will now ask you to plug in the USB to your Ps4, then click OK. Now, the jailbreak will begin automatically. As you can see, it says GoldenHen loaded by Sistaro. After that, go back and you'll see debug settings in the menu. Let's now test some games. And as you can see, the game is running perfectly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.
Hey baby! I just wanted to send a quick hello and I love you. Oh, good news! I'm gonna be coming home soon. Yay! I cannot wait to be done with this babysitting job and come home to my loving husband. I miss you. Oh, I gotta get back to work. I love you, Ethan. I miss you so much. I'm sending tons of kisses. Bye, baby.
Ethan. You were right.
It's been 3 years since everything happened at the Baker house. I was looking for my wife, who disappeared. I got an email from her. She told me to come get her. And of course, that's how I ended up in the middle of nowhere, Louisiana. I found Mia being held captive in a dark basement. She wasn't thinking right. She attacked me like some kind of wild animal. Later on, I found out that she was infected by a special kind of mold. I looked all over the house trying to find an antidote, a vaccine, anything. The people who...